Today, I'm going to show you how to add noise in Pixlr quickly and easily using a simple built-in effect that can add grain, texture, and a more stylized look to your image. This is a great technique if you want to make a photo feel more cinematic, vintage, or a little less overly smooth. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Pixlr and load the image you want to edit. Once your project is open, make sure you select the layer you want to apply the effect to. That part is important because the noise will only be added to the active layer. If you want the effect on your full image, make sure you're on the correct layer before moving forward. Now, at the top of the screen, find the filter menu. Click on filter and then move to details. Inside that menu, you'll see the add noise option. Click on add noise and Pixlr will open the noise adjustment controls. At this point, you should see an intensity slider. This slider controls how much grain or noise gets added to your image. If you want a subtle effect, keep the slider lower. If you want a more noticeable grainy look, increase the intensity a bit more. I recommend adjusting it slowly so you can clearly see how the texture changes in real time. The goal is to find the right balance for the style you want. Too little noise may not be visible, while too much can make the image look overly rough or distracting. So take your time and preview the result as you move the slider. If you're editing portraits, a lighter amount usually works best. If you're creating a retro or artistic design, a stronger grain effect can look really good. Once you're happy with the look, apply the change and save your project. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can add noise in Pixlr and give your image a completely different feel. It's a small effect, but it can make a big difference in the final look of your design. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Pixlr tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.